Hello everyone. Now, do you like the idea of running laughter yoga sessions without exercises? Here's a comment from a certified laughter yoga leader who has also delivered sessions at Glastonbury Festival. And she came to the World Yoga Festival. And this is the comment that she wrote after the sessions. She said, "What really struck me with the sessions at the World Yoga Festival was how you delivered the workshop with very little formal laughter yoga exercises." This meant that the class flowed really naturally and was really organic. Your style is a very gentle and relaxed approach which really helps put people at ease. Everything is an invitation to join in with any of the activities, which naturally everyone does, but it really helps to create a relaxed approach. Now, do you like the sound of this? Do you like the feel of this? Would you like to add this approach to your own existing laughter yoga practice? If so, the next Laughter Yoga for Joy program starts on the 23rd of September. Details are below, and if you have any questions, do please get in touch. And of course, have a lovely day.